Hey guys, Les here. Adam from Tent Guy and other entrepreneur stuff asked me, hey, what do you think about sub rentals? Can you make a video about sub rentals and sort of what you think about them? And he actually has his own video about that. And he talks about them in a positive way. So he says, during the busy times, you'll need them because you'll be short on items. And I agree 100%. Actually, I use a guy here, check it out. Here, I'll show you better here. That has all these items, okay? And he has much more. He has a bunch of shipping containers in this place. And he has thousands of things. And because he kind of arranges it, maybe it's better like this so the sun's facing me. He kind of arranges it so that I have the keys, okay, to these places. I have the keys. And he doesn't have to do any work whatsoever. The stipulation is, make sure you return things clean, put it back in the appropriate spots, and you're good to go. So he does zero work, and he gets paid, essentially. There is obviously some trust involved, although you could probably set up security cameras and things like that, or some sort of monitoring system. But he kind of exclusively works for wholesale, he's kind of like wholesale. So he exclusively works with companies instead of individuals. Because the rentals are bigger, per rental is bigger, and they know what they're doing. Rental companies know what they're doing versus people. So he has a really interesting system where he kind of makes money on the side by renting things with minimal amount of time investment. And as you can see, you can do a little tour here. This is just one of the shipping containers, but there's many more. And he just has, hundreds, thousands of chairs in each shipping container. In this case, there's white chairs and white resin chairs. And other things. This is just one of but he also has Chiavari chairs. So pretty much everything. I mean, he's amalgamated this stuff over time. And it's kind of a neat system. So A, he has an interesting business model, which I wanted to share to you. And B, this is an example of sub-rental that, honestly works out great. That being said, I get it. It's like a sports team. You kind of need the other sports team to even exist. To get paid, you need to have that. You need to have your competition in order to exist, in order for the system to work. And same with this, you kind of need your competition, but I understand during the heat of the moment, you can hate them. You can hate your competition. And obviously you don't want there to be too much competition in your region because it oversaturates things. But at the same time, it's a necessary evil. You need them for sub-rentals. In a way, the whole system works because people are competing in it. Sounds crazy, but so I would say don't stress about it. There's always going to be competition, and there's going to be times when your competition really helps you out. Anyways, guys, just a quick overview of this sub rental and how they're in the end they're better than worse, by far, way better than worse that they exist, because you're going to need stuff, you're going to run out of stuff, and take it easy. Let's get some business done. We'll see you later.